Hey everybody, Eagle Run 23 here. We have ourselves an unboxing video to do. This giant box here is sent to us courtesy of Medic Box. All right, inside that box were 3 smaller boxes and they have some numbers on them, 1, 2, and 3. You can see the name there, MedBox. This is a tactical medical gear monthly subscription. MedicBox reached out to us and they said they had a really cool program that they wanted to show me. So I signed up on their website, and what that got me was into some of their medical training classes that they have online, which is really exciting. You, me, we all need to do better at the medical stuff. It's really cool to play with guns and do all of our other prepping, the food, the water, the storage. Med stuff really gets overlooked. I'm excited to add to my medical training as well as some of my medical equipment. So I have no idea what's in these. I don't even know how much this program costs, but I'll send you to medicbox.com. I'll have a link for that down below, and we can see what's on here. So this is box number 1. Holy cow, there is some really serious stuff in here. I have always wanted to get some of these and I've never done it. This is a chest seal pack. Legit stuff here. Okay, chest seal pack, great. We have a hemostatic dressing. So hemostatic dressing there. What else do we have? Man, this is legit stuff. Emergency bandage. Okay, it looks like a wrap there. This looks like the little kit that this stuff all fits in. Way cool. This is some really nice stuff. Okay, we have a Medic Box patch that I'm assuming probably goes on this bag. Great. Oh my goodness. Look at this. We have SOG Parashears. Some absolutely legitimate. They fold up. Oh, they fold up. Oh, that's so stinking cool. Okay, so my plan was, this came while I was gone on vacation. My plan was to do an unboxing and then go take some of their medical training and kind of see how some of this stuff works. I'm gonna have to report back to you on that for later, but box number 1 is a legitimate success. Well, this makes me feel like I need to get my stuff together. Whew. Legit. Man, if box number 1 didn't do it for you, I can't wait to see what we have in store in box number 2. So like I mentioned, this is a monthly subscription. In this one we have a tourniquet, some gloves, some gauze, some flat pack tape, trauma shears, and a pin light. All right. Sticker, love the stickers. Here we have some flat pack duct tape. That's kind of cool. From Condor, they make little gear accessories. Oh, it's a glove dispenser. So you can molly that and you can pop gloves out. I've never seen anything like that before. Okay, that's cool. We have a Micro Series Guardian Angel. What is this? Wow, gosh, guys, this is awesome. So this flashlight has this magnet thing, and it can send out light in any direction, and in addition to being straight out, and you'll take this and you'll put it in your shirt, and then you can clip your light on. I've seen, like, in the movies, like the EMTs have stuff like this. How stinking cool is that? Okay, so that's called a Guardian Angel from Micro Series. All right, I like it. Oh, shoot. This is cool. We have a little pen light, and it's got some sizes on there, and that's to check for pupil dilation. Friggin', I'm going to med school, guys. All right, a compressed and folded, it's all like, tightly packed. That's some gauze pads, that's awesome. And then we've got, another set of trauma shears. So from Rothko, we have a 5.5 inch set of trauma shears. That's great. And there it is, there's the tourniquet. I know how those work. you need to get these out and practice putting these on. Don't leave them on, of course, because you'll ruin stuff. But you need to put these on and make sure that you know how they work. You don't want the first time you use this to be in an emergency. I'm actually really encouraged as I open this. Just makes me think I need to get my stuff together. This is a legit set, and the way things are going in the world right now, you may have to know how to do some of this stuff, and nobody wants to think about that or talk about it. I get it. No one can take away the knowledge that you have. When you learn how to do something, that is the most powerful thing. You learn how to build a gun, you learn how to weld, you learn how to do all of these things, and that knowledge can't be taken from you. It stays with you. You never know when you're going to need it. And I am encouraged because we've had some crazy stuff in the financial times going on this week. We've had we're coming up on inside of 100 days to an election season. The struggle is real, and opening this actually gives me encouragement. I need to get my stuff together and do a little bit better, learn how to do some of this medical stuff, and thankfully MedicBox is hooking us up. So you're going to want to go to the link that I give you below and sign up to take this, order in some of their boxes, and get signed up for their medical training. Boy, box number 1 was good. Box number 2 might be the winner. Let's see what's in 3. So we have a rescue tool. So this is a little thing that looks like a pocket knife, and it has a glass breaker. Yeah, so it's a pocket knife, and it seems pretty well made. Okay, decent little, it isn't made in China knife, but decent little knife here. I have no doubt that you could break some glass with that, and it looks like it has some, it's got a light too. All right, that's cool. We'll keep that back in its case. For me, something like that, I would just leave in this case and put it in my med kit and use as needed. Okay, CPR face shield, that's pretty cool. We also have some gloves that are all packaged up, and I believe they could go in that little dispenser, which is great. We have a quick litter. What the heck's a quick litter? Oh my goodness, this is a quick lighter. So it's a multi-use but yet disposable. So it's this like tarp, and it's got the handles on it. So it's all packaged up real tight right here, but this would fit like in a cargo pocket. You could pull it out, 2 or 3 guys could pick somebody up. It says 750-pound capacity, and it's like a little stretcher thing where you could haul somebody out if you needed to. And then we've got the Rescue Essentials. This is like a wound prep pack. Basically, this would just kind of resupply your medical stuff. Antiseptic towelettes are in there. Some sting relief. It looks like maybe some hand sanitizer. Good stuff. Okay, so this must be like a bonus item because it's not on the list for box number 3, but it's this strapping. I'm not sure what it does. I'm gonna have to look this up. They've got a really cool logo on there, and it looks like a Texas company. So Texas Tactical Designs. I'm gonna have to go to their website and see what this is. It says gear that fits your fight. I haven't heard of that company, Texas company. And then, from Phoenix, this is a little pen light here from Phoenix. Looks like a little flashlight in there. That's pretty cool. Comes with a battery, and looks like it runs off of 1 AAA. I gotta tell you, I am thoroughly impressed with the MedicBox. When these guys reached out to me, I guess I didn't realize how legit and serious they are about what they're doing. Really great folks. I've had a couple conversations with them via text message. I'd like to give them a call at this point and see if there's something we can work out to continue to show this kind of stuff for you. This is a monthly subscription box. Really cool. I think that they have a discount code set up that's EagleRun23. I don't know what you get for that. Again, it came while I was on vacation, and I didn't really know what was in this box, and I guess they definitely over impressed me, a little undersold and over delivered, which is great. I did not gather about how cool this stuff was just based on their email. So I knew that the training looked cool. I guess I should have assumed that once I got on their website and saw all that training, that this was going to be some really cool stuff. But I'm jazzed for it, guys. Go check it out. YouTube thinks you'll like this video right here. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.